to our channel. Let's make burgers today. My mom is today in the kitchen today. Hi guys. Mom, say hi to all the fans.
Hello everyone. We are making Punjabi samosa burgers and subs with a twist. Let's see what all we need.
Some zabis and samosas.
Punjabi samosas,
Classic roasted peanuts.
roasted and crushed peanuts,
Burger buns.
burger buns,
And subs. Dates and sandwiches chutney.
tamarind, dates, raisins chutney,
Mint chutney.
mint chutney,
That's chili and garlic.
red chili garlic chutney,
Indian mix.
Indian mixture,
Tomato sauce.
chopped onions and tomatoes.
Fans, watch my mom make burgers and subs.
Yes friends, let's start making burgers and subs now. Okay friends, burgers and subs are ready to be served.
Thank you for watching, friends. Please like and subscribe and share. Click on the bell.
Thank you for watching friends. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.